Hi, Hayden here, and this video is part of my Creators Helping Creators series. So by all means, be creators helping creators, make a lot of comments below, help people out, ask questions, suggest answers. Let's get the job done, helping each other get to where we all need to be, where we want to be, all right? The title of this video is Let's Talk About Money. All right, now it's a touchy subject, so I'm going to make it very, very finite for my purposes for this video, because it could mean a million different things to a plethora of different people, all right? What I'm talking about here is initially is a new creator coming in, they're starting a network, they get the idea of what they need to do, how they need to do it, but they'd like to have the opportunity to maybe make a little bit of money right now to help motivate them to keep going. My last video was how to establish inside your PayPal account your paypal.me profile. Because you've noticed a couple of videographers will have the paypal.me link below their videos. Maybe you've noticed it, maybe not, but it should be there if they're using it and it's available. By all means, feel free to, while I'm talking here, feel free to scroll down and just look at the description for this video. You will notice that there is my company paypal.me profile link, all right? If you like what you're seeing, you're learning something, you feel a strong desire to help me out, by all means, click that link, make a donation to the cause, and I appreciate the assistance. Did you not give me enough money? No. Whatever amount that somebody wants to give is fantastic. I graciously accept all donations, all right? It's absolutely fantastic. If somebody feels that they got some value for their donation, they make the donation, I graciously accept it. The amount is irrelevant. I graciously accept it. It's a gift, and I greatly appreciate it. I've been accepting that kind of a payment on PayPal long before this paypal.me thing came on board, because I created a donate button on my website, and there's a balance in my PayPal account because people have been for years making donations to my PayPal account through the link that I provided. And that's before the paypal.me thing came all about. I think that the paypal.me link profile is more professional. Now, as a professional videographer since 1992, I'm telling you from my education, training, and experience, as a professional videographer, I think that the paypal.me is probably the number1 professional way to demonstrate professionalism by having somebody make a donation to the cause that way. YouTube used to have that button on the bottom right of our screen of our home page to where people could click and make a donation and support us, all right? I had that button until they yanked that away, and I believe they were talking about bringing it back again. And the sponsorship thing at $4.99 a month or whatever it's going to be when we get to 100,000, that might be the new thing that they're doing, and they're only giving it to people who have 100,000 subscribers or more. So I'm not within that realm quite yet. But paypal.me is something that we can put on every single one of our videos from day one through day forever. All right, and all those links, that link for my corporate one, if you scroll down there and see that paypal.me link to my corporate link, that's going to be there forevermore because it's something that I'm putting in a template. I don't even have to think about it. It's going to be there every single time. Now, if I go back and put it in my other 351 videos, that's another story. But I may over time do that. But it takes a little bit to go through every single video and do that. All right. So with that, let's go into the YouTube Partner Program money that I'm talking about. My core feeling, my gut feeling about the whole thing is that it is an income process, all right? As we grow, as we become more successful, as we expand our potential in YouTube, the rewards become greater, all right? So the goal is to get to the point where we are professional videographers. We take it as far as we can professionally go to our own capability, all right? We take advantage of the opportunities along the way. And my personal goal is to make some money. Okay, well, I'm part of the YouTube Partner Program again. I'm looking at my screen. I do make some money now. So I am making some money. The first goal is succeeding. It's a success, and now I'm moving forward. The next goal to reach, now that I'm making some money, is to make enough money that I would, and it's going to be different for all of us, all right? Whatever a decent part-time wage would be. All right, so maybe you had a part-time job and you say, well, this is decent money. That's a decent part-time wage. You're trading time for dollars. It's a decent part-time wage. But if you make a video and you make advertising dollars every time somebody watches it, you're folding time. I remember I made a video a while ago about folding time. People watch your video asynchronously, right? Meaning that I might watch your video today, somebody will watch it this afternoon, somebody else will watch it tomorrow. It's the same video. We're watching 100% of it. We're watching all your advertising. You're making money off of something you did once. 3 people just watched it and you just made a little bit of income on it 3 times for the same amount of time. You're folding time. That's a winner, all right? So now whatever your idea of a part-time income is, whatever my idea of a decent part-time income is, that's my next step. If I get there, I'll tell you. I mean, I don't know if I'll tell you the amount, but I will tell you that, yeah, I have now reached the point in time where I am making what I would consider a decent part-time wage from my YouTube videos. I'll let you know. Again, I might not tell you the dollar number, but I'll certainly say, yeah, I feel this is good. Currently, I'm satisfied with the sum money. Okay, I am absolutely positively satisfied with making the sum money amount that I'm making right now, and I would love to see it go expand to be higher. I also would love it if people smack that paypal.me link and throw a few tip coins in my jar. I appreciate that too. I would love that as well. As a matter of fact, every possible avenue of income that I can legally, morally, and ethically partake in, I'm absolutely going to, and I will find it all very satisfying as I go along. I'm never going to complain about not making enough money. All right, that's not going to happen because what I'm trying to do, how I'm trying to do it, my goals and expectations are being met as I move. All right, and I'm going to continue to go in that way so that I know that I'm making goals for myself, I'm attaining the goals, and I'm moving forward with a new set of goals. So after I make what I would consider a decent part-time income, the next goal is to make a satisfactory full-time income replacement. All right. So at a point in time, my goal and objective with my YouTube videos is to make enough money to where I would not have to, if I had a full-time day job, I could quit that and only work on my YouTube videos all alone. That would be the only thing I need to do, because at that point I'm making enough money to where I never have to go out of the house to ever work again. All right. Not only that, that would meet the goal that I've always had for myself, is to be location independent. Okay. Location independent means I will make my money no matter where I am in the world. All right. It doesn't matter where I am. As long as I get an internet connection, I can upload my videos, I can earn my income, I'm good to go. All right. So that's what it's all about. So that's what I want to talk about when I talk about money. And let's talk about money. I just want to put a set of parameters out there that I think that will hopefully be insightful to other people, yourselves watching, that, Ray's goals are to make some money. I'm there. I'm already making some money. To make a decent part-time income, when I get there, I'll let you know, even if I don't tell you the exact amount. And when I get to the point where I'm making a full-time, what I consider full-time income off of my YouTube video, where basically it covers all my daily expenses, all right? When I get to that point, I will also let you know. So whatever my daily and monthly expenses are, when I'm earning that from my income effort, from my YouTube efforts, I'll let you know that, yes, I have now made it to the point where I can now live solely off of my YouTube efforts without having to dip into savings or investments or anything like that, all right? That's my promise to you. I will let you know if I ever get to that point, right? But for right now, here's the really key important thing, and it's a really magical thing that I hope that you can understand. I'm making some money, all right? I'm going probably to get to the point where I consider myself making a decent part-time income off of YouTube videos. That is money that I don't have to take out of savings, all right? So if I'm making enough money to fill up my gas tank every week, okay, not yet. Takes a lot of gas. But because I do a lot of driving around on that little lawnmower. But if I make enough money to pay for my gas 1 week out of the month, that's 1 week out of the month I don't have to pay for gas out of my savings. You see what I'm saying? So it's really an important magical thing. The more money you can make, the less you have to pull out of other areas. So that's the key. And when I'm talking about let's make money, let's talk about money. Let's get to where we're making some money. No need to get greedy. We'll get there. You got to put in the time. You want the prize, you got to put in the effort, right? We'll get to the point where we can stop taking money from other things because YouTube's covering it for us a little bit, right? They're helping us out. And we can make some money, decent part-time wage, a full-time job replacement income, and then we can move on from there. And by the way, if I ever get there, I'll let you know what that's all about, what I'm seeing, the trends, and things that I'm seeing as I continue growth, should I get to that point, right? Hopefully I do, and if I do, I will share as I promised with you all along the way. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up on this video. Stay tuned, I got more videos in this series. I think that you're gonna find these very helpful and insightful, and they'll also be motivational and help keep you going, because you don't want anybody burning out, all right? So with that, until I catch you in the next video, take care and be well.